This is the EPOS ICT prototype demonstration. It's a data discovery platform that allows you to find all the datasets and services, people and infrastructure within the EPOS system. You can see the latest and most popular datasets. For example, if we select the seabed substrate, we can look at the full metadata record. You can see here the point of contact is the Geological Survey of Finland. And if we look at all the associated resources and download links, you can actually download the dataset from here. You can see that downloading this is going to take quite some time. So what we can do, instead of downloading this, we can use the platform and add it to the inbuilt visualization map. You can see here a coverage across Europe. Now we might want to add more data to this and try and integrate it with some other data. So I'm going to head back to the search pane, and we're going to use this mini-map in the corner. And we're going to constrain the information based on a bounding box. We can close this mini-map once we've done that. So we've now got a constraint, so we've gone down from 5,000 records down to about 300. We search for geology, you can see it's constrained it further, and by selecting one of the service types on the faceted search on the left hand side, it will reduce it even more. There's an advanced search, so if you want to search by other categories or time ranges, that's possible too. Here we're going to select the bedrock and superficial geology from the British Geological Survey, and you can see a variety of download links, and this one has now been added to the map. It's a little while for it to load up because we've got a very slow connection here. And you can see there now we've got some data coming from Finland and some data coming from the British Geological Survey. We can search for something else like earthquakes and try and integrate that with the rest of the visualization map. We don't have to go into the metadata record, we can just add it from this main search page as I've just done there. We can add this one as well. And then if I just go back to the map, you'll see that those data sets have now been loaded in. So we've got some data, some earthquakes again from the British Geological Survey and some earthquakes from KNMI. So we've got a combination of data sets there. We can also search for people, so I'm going to search for one of my colleagues, Patrick Bell. You can then use the faceted search on the left hand side to filter the data further. You can select the metadata record, then you can see that the person here is related to an organisation and has a variety of associated resources, so in this case a record with seismic monitoring stations attached to it. We can then add these seismic monitoring stations to the map, and we've now got a set of integrated data sets from across Europe. You can imagine that the map is just one of the visualization tools on the platform. In the future it could also include time series graphs or 3D visualizations. The data sets could then be processed, queried or integrated in more complicated workflows using resources such as high performance computing. Thank you for watching, and if you want any further information, please click the links below.